Viewers, I am going to show you how to operate a microwave oven. Turn on the power, then press on microwave. Before that, you have to put something inside. You must read the guideline about the usable things inside the oven to warm up your foods. Okay, see. First press on microwave, then set the watt, then set the time, and then press start. Now see, it started. After completion it will signal you. You should use oven proof bowl or plate, and if you use ceramic bowl then it should be without any golden or silver coating. It is. Now I am showing you again the process. See, first press microwave, then set the watt, then set the timer 30 seconds or 1 minute, whatever you want. This is how you can prepare your food. It will give signal of completion. Thanks for watching.